A fun activity to do for Sankt Hans Aften is to make Snobrød. That is twisted bread that is wrapped around a stick and placed over a fire. I'm here in a wooded area and I am searching for sticks that are green and long. Green meaning that they are still alive and they won't burn as easily in the fire. I brought my sticks home and now I need to get the little branches off. They're going to be tough because it's green. And I hope you have a sharper pocket knife than I do. I finished up the job with a snipper to take the twigs off. Next I'm using my grandma's old butcher knife and I am taking the bark off about a foot from the end. The fire is started, but now I'll throw on some bigger logs so that it can burn down to the really hot embers. I'm going to go inside and make the dough and let it rise for 1 hour. Then I'll be back out. As the fire gets really, really hot out in the fire pit, gets down to those good hot embers, we come inside and we're going to mix up our Snobrød. And this recipe makes 8 breadsticks. So let's get started. 1 cup warm water, 1 teaspoon dried yeast. Stir that in, also with 1 teaspoon sugar. Sugar helps to give life to the yeast. Stir until your yeast is dissolved. Then you can add your 1 teaspoon salt and stir a little bit more. Now we're going to blend in the last 2 ingredients. 2 cups flour. And I'll bet you think that this is akavit. I wish it was, really. But it's oil. Add that to the mixture. Stir until nice and thick. If you do need to add a little more flour, we don't want it to be runny. Put this in a warm place for 1 hour and then we'll be ready. Well, it's been about an hour. We have nice hot embers, perfect heat to do our Snobrød. Let's wrap that dough around the stick and place it above the fire. The dough is doubled, so now I'm going to pull out a clump and form a rope between my 2 hands to wrap it around the stick. I did put some oil on the stick just to help it come off easier when it's done baking. So I have my clump and I'm going to make it into like a snake. I've all done this with Play-Doh, all sorts of things. So just get it to a length. Then you take your stick and I'm going to start at the top and start wrapping it around. Twisted bread, Snobrød. And press it on. As you can see, I think it's ready for the fire. And now the artist in you can come out. We need to brown the bread. And we want it over the hot red embers. Keep turning it. Try not to let it burn, kind of like marshmallows when you're roasting them. This might take about 15-20 minutes. So sit back, have a beer, have a lemonade, have a schnapps, tell some stories, sing some songs. Just have a hygge, good time. As you can see, there's a hole down the center. Connie Hansen, one of our board members, said to make sure and fill it with strawberry jam. You know, June is strawberry season. There's to go.